Hello children, welcome to my another new video. It is based on CBSC board science lesson number 1, nutrition in plants. Now in that, what is the nutrition? First we are going to see this one. Standard, you learn that food is essential for all living organisms. You also learn that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are components of a food. Now which are the food components? You know very well. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are components of a food. Now which are the nutrients? Nutrients means food components. Now which are the food components? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the food components. These food components are necessary for our body and these are known as nutrients. These are called nutrients. Now all living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves, but animals including human cannot. All living organisms require food. Without food they can't survive. So plants can make their own food material, you know very well. Okay, but animal including human being, they cannot make their own food material. Thus humans and animals are directly or indirectly depends on plants. So plants are prepare their own food material, but human beings including animals are not prepare their own food material. They are depends on other organisms. So now we are going to see here mode of nutrition in plants. Now how they take the nutrition, what are the modes of the nutrition in plants, how they prepare their food and how they take their food, we are going to see this one. Nutrition is nutrients are the food components which are present inside the food and these are necessary for our body. Now we are going to see here modes of nutrition in plants. Plants are the only organism that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. See here, plants are prepare their own food material by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. The raw material, these are the raw materials are present in their surroundings. Plants prepare their own food material by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. These are raw material present in their surroundings. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies and provide the energy to carry out life processes. Now why the nutrition is essential for the body? What they do in your body? So nutrients are enable living organisms to build their bodies. They help to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies and provide the energy to carry out life processes. So we are working, jumping, writing, all these are energy required processes. So these energy is provided by a nutrition. So nutrition is mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. So nutrition is generally there is two types, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Now what is the autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition means those organisms which are prepare their own food material, which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotroph. Auto means self, troph means nourishment. They self-nourish themselves, means they prepare their own food material. So these are the autotrophic organisms. And therefore plants are called autotrophs because plants are prepare their own food material. So plants are autotrophs. Animals and most other organisms take in ready-made food prepared by the plants. They are called heterotrophs. See here, what is the heterotrophs? Animals, including human beings, they are take their food, ready-made food. They are not prepare their own food. They are take a ready-made food which is prepared by plants. So they are called heterotrophs. Hetero means other. Other prepare their food, and this other prepared food used by them, they are the heterotrophs. Now we may ask where the food factories of plants are located, whether food is made in all parts of plants or only in certain parts, how do plants obtain the raw material from the surroundings, how do they transport them to other factories of the plants. So see here, how do they transport them to the food factories of the plants. Now these are the mode of nutrients, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Now how they are prepare their own food material, plants. Now we are going to see here photosynthesis. This is the process where food is prepared by the plants. So photosynthesis, food making process in plants. Now what is the photosynthesis here? This is the food making process in plants. Now how they prepare? Leaves are the food factories of plants. The synthesis of food in plants occur in leaves. Therefore all the raw materials must reach there. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. So leaves are known as the food factories because photosynthesis is carried out in a green part of a plant. So leaves are a green part. So there is abundant manner leaves are present on a plant. So these leaves are having a abundant number of chlorophyll pigments in that. So that's why leaves are known as the food factories of a plants. So in that leaves green pigment is present, and this green pigment is necessary for a food production, for a food synthesis. That's why leaves are known as the food factories of plants. I'm going to draw here leaves. Now this is the leaf, and what are the structures of the leaf? You know very well, everyone. This one is the midrib, these are the lateral veins, this is the leaf lamina. So in that, at the lower side of the leaf, there is a small teeny pores are present, and these pores are known as the stomata. Now what is the use of this stomata? These stomata are absorb air from their surroundings. These stomata are absorb air from the surrounding, and this is the vein. These veins are absorb the water and minerals. From the soil through the root. Sunlight is also needed. So these all raw materials are taken from the surroundings and they synthesize the food. Actual photosynthesis takes place in that. So we are going to see in a next video. So children, see here. If you like this video, then you subscribe my channel and watch the video continuously. Now there is no need to go outside for tuition, so only take your 10 minutes and observe these videos carefully and you learn science. So only you give me support to subscribe my channel. I am going to make a continuously your science syllabus videos. You watch this carefully, and any doubt you comments me or ask me directly. Okay.